Hi guys, hope you're all good. Now this one is going to be a really quick video and I just want to kind of show you guys another very useful way of trimming your clips. What's really handy in Premiere is understanding how to perform the top and tail edits, and that's what we are going to discuss in this video. So we already know that if we want to cut different parts of the clip within our sequence, we have the razor tool that we can very easily use. But what if I quickly want to cut off the top part of my clip, or let's say the ending of my clip, that is the tail? In that case, I will use my playhead and will set it at the point where I want the clip to start, and will then press the Q key on my keyboard. So as soon as I press the Q key on my keyboard, Premiere will cut off the top part of my clip. So now you can see that my clip will start from this point. So this is like the new starting point of my clip. So this was the top edit, guys. Now the tail edit is not too different from top edit. If I want to get rid of this part of my clip, which is the ending of my clip, or you can say the tail of my clip too, all I'm going to do is, once again, I'm just going to adjust my playhead, and this time I'm going to use the key W on my keyboard, and Premiere will get rid of the tail of my clip. So remember, key Q for your top edit and then key W for your tail edit. So guys, that's really it for now. I hope you found this video useful and I hope you liked this video. If you got any questions, anything you're not sure about, feel free to drop those in the comments area and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm not going to see you in the next video. Till then, you take care of yourself.